The functions of a central bank. Here we are going to discuss the major functions executed by the central bank of most of the countries of the world. The first function, Bank of Issue, brings uniformity in note issue, as a result of which these notes are widely accepted as a medium of exchange, imparts the notes a distinctive prestige, as a result of which people develop faith in the currency. It enables the central bank to have an effective control on the bank's money created by commercial banks. It enables the government to have supervision and control over the supply of money in the economy. The second important function of a central bank, banker, fiscal agent and advisor to the government. The central bank receives the deposits of cash, checks, drafts, etc. from the government, provides cash loan to the government and makes payments, issues loans on behalf of the government, buys and sells foreign currencies on behalf of the government. It also acts as the government's agent in enforcing foreign exchange control, acts as the financial advisor to the government, control of inflation or deflation, devaluation or revaluation of the currency, use of deficit financing, trade policy, foreign trade policy, budgetary policy, etc. Third function of a central bank, custodian of nation's forex reserves. All the foreign exchange transactions of a country are routed through the central bank. That is, it controls both the receipts and payments of foreign exchange, tries to maintain stability in the exchange rate, enforces exchange control regulations prescribed by the government from time to time. Lender of last resort. When commercial banks are exhausted their resources and are in need of funds, they approach the central banks to tide over the financial crisis. The central bank then provides directly or indirectly all reasonable financial assistance to commercial banks like discount houses, bill brokers and other financial institutions. The most important and vital function of a central bank is the banker to the banks. Acts as the custodian of cash reserves in commercial and other banks. Commercial banks are under statutory obligation to keep a part of their deposits as reserves with the central bank, provides credit, mainly short-term credit to the commercial banks, provides them guidance and direction and regulates their activities. Commercial banks are obligated to follow it. The next important function of a central bank, clearinghouse. For transparent settlement of mutual claims of the bank, the central bank provides clearinghouse facility in big cities and trade centers. It is a simple, convenient, time-saving and economical device for settling of commercial banks on each other. Since the commercial banks keep their cash reserves with central bank, it is easier and convenient to clear and settle claims on each other by making transfer entries in their accounts maintained with the central bank. The most important function, promotional and developmental functions. Developing and promoting a strong banking system, provides liberal and cheap rediscounting facilities to commercial banks and gives various types of concessions, assists in the development of financial institutions like developmental banks to provide investable funds for the development of agriculture, industry and other sectors of the economy. Publication of economic and statistical information. It collects periodical economic and statistical information relating to different aspects of the economy and publishes periodical reports like economic survey. This provides valuable information regarding the function of the economy. It helps government as well as the individuals and companies or other entities of the country. The most important and the most challenging function of the central bank is the controller of credit. Control the credit creation by the commercial banks. Regulate the supply of credit so as to ensure the smooth functioning of the economy. For this purpose, the central bank adopts quantitative and qualitative methods of credit control. The function of controller of credit is the most important and most challenging as well as most frequent task of the central bank of any country. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned, keep learning.